Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen where we make sumptuous delicacies. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. Today I will be making this yummy and tasty calamari spaghetti. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using calamari, onions and garlic, red and yellow bell pepper, and then sausage and minced olive. The first thing I will be doing is to fry or cook my sausage on a low or medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I will be seasoning the calamari. I added paprika pepper. Next, I will be adding some ground chili pepper. I will also add some spicy aromatic blend pepper. All these are optional. If you don't have any of these, you can go ahead to still make your calamari. The next thing I will be adding is salt, and then I will give everything a good mix. You can leave this to marinate for some minutes, but for me I will go straight to cooking it. Now in that same pan I use in frying the sausage, I will add some vegetable oil, allow to hot a bit, and then add the seasoned calamari, and I will stir fry this for 2 to 4 minutes on a low heat, and then I will take it out of the pan. And if you have watched up to this moment and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead to click the subscription bell, like, leave your comment in the comment section, and please, anytime you see any ad, do not skip. Thank you. Now that I'm done frying my calamari, I'll add more oil into the pan, and then I will add both the diced onions and then chopped garlic, and I'll fry this for some minutes, and thereafter I will show you the next thing to do. Now I'll be adding the scotch bonnet pepper, the one you know you can tolerate. I will stir fry this for few minutes, and then I'll go ahead to add the red and yellow bell pepper and stir everything together as well. After some minutes, I'll go ahead to add maggi, and then I'll also add some salt. Please be mindful of the salt you use in cooking your food. I will go ahead to stir everything together. Guys, please, if you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I promise that you're going to enjoy it in this place. I'll be giving you a lot of different delicacies. Now I'll be adding the mixed olive. This is very optional. If you are not a fan of olive, you can skip this part, but I just added it to give it another flavor. Now I'll be adding the cooked calamari, and then I will give everything a good stir. Thank you guys for watching so far. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like this video. Thank you. I will allow this to cook for some minutes. After some minutes, I will be introducing the next ingredient, which is going to be the cooked spaghetti. I cook this off camera. Now I will go ahead to give everything a good stir. This recipe is so simple that you can recreate it. When you recreate it, please don't forget to tag me. And look at how beautiful and colorful this recipe is. I hope you will be trying this out. Thank you. Next, I will be adding the cooked sausage, and here you have it. Our calamari spaghetti is ready. It was so yummy and so delicious. Thank you guys for always watching my videos. See you in my next one, and please keep eating good food. Bye.